Hello and welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Play Hut, and today guys we are doing another review. I got my hands on SHODQIQO's hair straightening brush and we are gonna see if it works on 4C here. Okay, the results would speak for itself, so I'll leave that up to you guys, what you guys think about this brush. But for now we are gonna just test it and see if it works on my 4C here. Okay, so in the box you get this velvet case, which is like a good storage bag to store your brush when you're done. And here we have our brush. Very sleek, very smooth, lightweight, 360-degree swivel cord, which is like standard by now. On the front here we have the temperature settings. It goes all the way up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and the lowest is 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Below that we have the power button, which also switches off for itself after 60 minutes, so that way nobody burns their house down. That's good. Okay, so we also got 2 clips, which will be much needed. This brush works much better after washing and drying your hair. The instruction advises that you shouldn't use this brush with custom mousse spray or hairspray. So as you guys can see, I have my hair sectioned out and I'm just gonna blow it straight. Okay, so let's put this bad boy on and let's set it to the desired temperature. I think I'm about to go up to 410 Fahrenheit. The brush will reach the set temperature in around 50 seconds. No burn, baby. Okay, let's get started, guys. Okay, so here we have it. This is what my hair is. Okay, that looks pretty straight. Okay, look at that. Hello. Hello. Let's do this again. Okay. Hello. Hello. Do you guys see that? Guys, is it too early? Is it too early to try this? You guys see that? I am happy. Okay, okay. Okay, guys, let us just go through this. Okay, so I'm gonna meet you guys at the front and I'm gonna continue going through my hair. I'm excited. Can we take a moment to see the magic that's happening here? Oh my God, this is absolutely beautiful. Okay guys, we are to the top and you guys see the difference. Hello. Look at you, girl. Look at you. Yes. So I'm just gonna straighten out this and then I'll be all done. So I'm putting a little bit of this. Look at that, guys. Hello. Did I get a perm? This is literally looking like I got a perm. Okay, that's done. Let's move on up. Look at that. Look at that. It's getting straight. It's like magic. That was with one brush. We got one more to go. This is the finale right here, guys. I am super happy. I gotta make sure this is combed out pretty well so I'm not struggling with the brush. Okay, that's it right there. Let's stretch this baby out. Okay guys, I am finished. I am finished and I'm ready for the big reveal. I know you guys are gonna love this because I love it. Let me take these clips out. See that shine? Okay. Hello. Do you guys see me? Hello. Let's look in the back. This is straight, guys. This is straight. So you guys see the comb? This is thin, right? And it's definitely passing the comb test. My hair is super straight. I can style this any which way, okay? Hello. Could put this up with like a little ponytail. Switch that around like that. Hello. In under a minute. I love this. I'll even go as far as to say, like, I believe this brush could go head to head with some of the top most popular brushes on the market right now. Let's be real. This brush did a great job, and I know some of you guys may want to know, could you just get to the pricing, please? Well, you can get one of these for $46.99, and it's on Amazon. I'm going to be putting the link in the description box. You guys can check it out. If you do get yourself one of these, I feel very confident that you are not going to be disappointed. This brush is 4C hair approved, okay? 4C hair approved. I love it. Can nobody tell me nothing? Hello, can you guys see that? That looks like water waves. Hello, that's all me, honey. Oh my goodness. I hereby swear, I swear, this is the truth. This is the truth. I'm super happy, guys. Don't forget to check the link down below and check out this brush, guys. If you get it, I am telling you, you are not going to regret it. Okay, so check the link in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I shall see you guys on the next video. Bye.